In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to contact support on Coinbase. Easiest way. We'll keep this simple and safe by using the official Coinbase Help Center. Start by opening your web browser and searching for Coinbase Help. You're looking for the result that leads to the official Help Center. Make sure the web address belongs to Coinbase, and look for the small lock icon in your browser to confirm it's a secure connection. Avoid clicking ads or third-party sites that claim to offer support. Once you're on the Coinbase Help Center, scroll down the page until you see the Contact Us option and click it. This is the quickest path to the support flow. If you don't see it right away, give the page a moment to load or use the site's search bar. The contact link usually appears after the main help topics. On the contact page, scroll and choose the product that matches your concern. Selecting the right product helps route your request to the correct team and speeds up the response. If you're unsure, pick the category that most closely fits what you're experiencing. Next, click Sign In for support. Coinbase generally handles account-specific questions only after you're signed in, so they can verify it's really you and protect your account. Before signing in, double-check you're still on the official Coinbase domain. Never share your recovery phrase, private keys, or any codes with anyone, including support. Enter the email address you use for your Coinbase account. This ensures your ticket is linked to the correct profile and that you receive updates. Type it carefully to avoid typos that could delay things. Click Continue. At this point, you may be prompted to verify your identity, enter a code sent to your email or authenticator app, or complete two-factor authentication. Just follow the on-screen instructions. Now follow the prompts on your screen to narrow down your issue. You'll typically select a topic, a subtopic, and then provide a description. If the form allows, add relevant details such as transaction IDs, dates, approximate amounts, and the network used. Keep sensitive information private and avoid sharing full card numbers or security codes. After signing in, you can type your concern in detail, describe what happened, what you expected, and what you've already tried. Clear, concise information helps support resolve your issue faster. When you submit, look out for a confirmation email with a case number. Check your spam or junk folder if you don't see it. You can reply to that email to add more details or screenshots later. That's it. Use only the official help center, keep your account secure, and give support time to review your case.